When you listen to this meditation, they will be addicted and ready to fight for your love. They will become so obsessed with you and will fight anyone who tries to come between you two, no matter who it is. It can be their friends, a third party, or even their mom. No one will be able to stop them from loving you and loving you hard. Now let's begin. I love that my person is addicted to me in all the best ways. I love that my person always fights for my love and attention. I love that my person gives their all to make me feel special and loved. I love that my person can't stop thinking about me 24/7. I love that my person is constantly craving my love and attention. I love that my person always makes me feel like I'm the most important person in the world. I love that my person is addicted to the way I make them feel. I love that my person can't help but worship me. I love that my person always makes me feel like the only person that matters to them. I love that my person can't get enough of me. I love that my person is head over heels in love with me and makes it obvious. I love that my person always goes out of their way to make me feel adored. I love that my person can't resist my charm, energy, and presence. I love that my person wants nothing more than to make me happy. I love that my person prioritizes me over everything else. I love that my person is obsessed with me in all the best ways. I love that my person just can't stop thinking about me in the best ways possible. I love that my person is basically under my spell. I love that I am absolutely and totally irresistible to my person. I love that everything my person does makes me feel amazing and is always in my best interest. I love that my person always showers me with gifts, attention, quality time, acts of service, and complete undivided affection. I love that my person thinks, calls, texts, and contacts me in the exact amount that I need and desire. I love that my person never felt this kind of higher love in any other romantic connection. I love that my person only has eyes for me now, in the past, and forever. I love that our connection deepens with every nanosecond, creating a bond that is unbreakable and deeply fulfilling. I love that we can talk openly, support each other's growth, and navigate our differences with ease. I love that we share a bright future, cheering each other on while being mature and super cute at the same time. I love that everyone supports us in all the ways they can. Thank you, universe. I love that it is already done. Type, I love that my person is constantly craving my love and attention to affirm this meditation. Every time you listen to this, they will become more and more addicted to you. And you just stop listening when the attention becomes overwhelming or too much for you to handle. And if you need help making this addiction to you permanent, let me make them attached to you forever. It is really simple. And you can be like thousands of my other clients whose lives with their person have gotten extremely better. Just click the box on your left and I will make them permanently attached to you. Or you can click the box on the right for more love meditations. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you in the next meditation.